Thank you for coming back to my channel for a stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, as normal, they're dragging their feet. They're not really doing anything. I don't believe that we're going to see anything happen until the first, maybe the second week of June. They have proven that they don't care about the American people. They don't know the struggle that real people are going through because they're living like rock stars on taxpayers' money. Y'all, I've said it before. When it comes election time, please remember these people. The people that's not helping you, don't help them get back into office. Okay, now, President Trump and Mitch McConnell, several of them have said that they don't want to give a new stimulus check until they start seeing the first stimulus check come back to the economy. How in the hell do they think that's going to happen if most of the country is closed and they're opening up small amounts of business at a time? And then, like here in Pensacola, Florida, where I'm at, restaurants can open as long as they follow the guidelines, but they choose not to open because unemployment and everything else, the loans, the grants, everything makes it easier for them not to open. I would like to see these companies that can open and elect not to open, they lose all their funding. People that are called back to work and don't go back to work because they're scared that they're going to get the corona, which is only 1% of the people gets it anyway. Far more people dies from the regular cold and seasonal viruses that you get than they do from corona. So if they don't go back to work when they can go back to work, they should lose their employment and any kind of funding that they get. Okay, now, that being said, why should they go back to work? Put yourself in their shoes. If they're getting $1,000 a week unemployment and they used to only make $450 a week, why should they go back to work? The government makes it too easy for them. The government saying that they don't want to print another stimulus check until people start spending the first one. How can they spend it when the country is closed? Either open the country up completely, quit playing around with opening a few places at a time, open it up completely the way it was before the virus, or either write some checks and send people $2,000 a month until you decide to open up the country. You can't have it both ways. If you tell people they can't work, you damn well better give them a check so they can provide for their family. Y'all, I try not to get worked up over this, but I can't help it. And then you got people on YouTube acting like they know everything about everything. Y'all, we only know what's on the news. We have no inside track to information. So there is two people on here that acts like they know everything about everything, and they don't. They know exactly what I know, what I hear on the news, and what I read in the papers. And no, I don't have time to make 6 videos a day. I've got other things to do. Y'all, demand that they open the country up. Take a stand. If you want to go to work and they're saying you can't go to work, if you want to open your business and they're saying you can't, take a stand. Open your business. If they meet you with opposition, meet them with opposition. Give it right back to them. They can't lock everybody up. The jails is not that big. It's time we stand up. It's time we make this country great again. It's we the people, not them the government. We elected them into office. Now let's get them out of office. I think it's time to fire every one of them from both sides and start a clean slate. A clean slate of real hard-working Americans. No politicians. It's just my opinion. I know everybody's got one. Y'all please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Give me your love. Give me your hate. Whatever you want to give me. Just give me it. I love you all. Until tomorrow. Ciao.